Hello everyone and welcome back to another Universe Sandbox 2 video, and actually welcome back to another episode of Subscribers Universe as well. It's been about 6 days since the last episode, so hopefully you didn't wait too long, or hopefully I didn't make you wait too long, sorry. So yeah, here we go, here's the next episode. And actually before we begin, I actually do have a new object here, this red object here. I called it lighter red because yeah, it's a lighter red I guess than this one, or deeper red. I haven't really thought of the name really yet. So yeah, we got this sort of different red now because one of the subscribers' solar systems actually had a red planet in it, and I actually moved it here. So I saved it and also changed it, renamed it, made it the correct size, and yeah, now it's in the list of all my coloured objects here. So yeah, I've got a new red object as well. So if you want this object to be used in the template, make sure you say lighter red, not red. Otherwise, yeah, otherwise I'll do this one. So yeah, now we've got a lot of rocky planets, as you can see. So yeah, there is that. But anyways, to begin, we are starting on episode 9's comments today. And also before we begin as well, just mention I only do one comment per person on this series now, because the spam from some people has got insanely ridiculous. So to keep things fair, so I do as many people's ideas as possible, I'm only doing one comment per person now for ideas. So yeah, we're on episode 9's comment today, and the first comment we've got here is make a green and black terrestrial planet, name the Riddler. Okay, I'm guessing that's from Batman. So yeah, the Riddler. Mass 3.33 Earths, a radius 3.33 Earths, temperature 33.33 degrees, so a lot of threes. Atmosphere green, ocean is 33%. Okay, albedo is 0, rotational period 33, so a lot of 33s. Then it's got high, oh yeah, so, alright. So let's begin here. So we'll go green, there's the normal green here. So let's drag this guy out of the list. Alright, and let's begin. So let's call it, wait, is it Riddler or the Riddler? Okay, it's just Riddler, okay. So it's R-I-D-D-L-E-R. Okay, Riddler. Right, there's the first one there, so there we go. Then it's a lot of 3.33s, so Earth 3.33. And then radius of Earth, we're going to lock that, and then go 3.33 as well. Make it a little bigger. Then temperature was 33.3. Like that. Wait, he said it. Let's see here. Albedo is 0%, so we're going to lower that down. Then let's see here. Temperature is 30 degrees. Done that. Atmosphere is pink. Oh, it says. Oh wait, hang on, that's the wrong one. Atmosphere is green. Okay, so yeah, we've done that. Ocean is 33%. Okay, so 33% ocean. That's going to be quite a lot of ocean here. You probably won't be able to see the land at all, but that's what the request says, so I'll roll with it. So, okay, then it says color height. Then it says elevation colors. Well, we won't really see the elevation colors on this, I have to say. So, yeah. Then magnetic sphere. Oh, the atmosphere. Was it the magnetic field? 3.33. If it even works, come on. 3.33. Okay, does that work? Wow, it really doesn't want to do that. Apparently, yeah. That is very strange. Did it enter? Come on, 33. It doesn't want to work apparently. What about in here? There we go. That worked. 33.3. Yeah, it doesn't. That one doesn't want to work. So we'll just leave it like that. So there is that. So then water 33. So it's pretty much on 33 there. Let's try and get it dead on 33. So like that. There's 33. So like that. It doesn't say anything about the other elements, I don't think. Okay. So yeah, it just says high elevation is black, medium is green, low elevation is green. So it would end up being like this. So pretty much like that. And then we'll obviously make it a gas giant just to change the surface colour. It's still frozen for some reason, which is quite annoying, but that'll obviously melt down eventually. So yeah, there it is for now. So let's go ahead and save that, and let's actually try and warm it up. So let's go to a new simulation here. Actually, let's go into a solar system simulation. So where is it? A solar system. So my custom simulation, I actually need to update this. So now let's get that object and actually melt it down. So yeah, right, there we go. We need to see the full beauty of the green planet. So alright, let's see here. That's really going to heat up as well if it's not reflecting any light. So hopefully this will actually melt. I'm hoping. Is it going to melt? Come on, 0 degrees. You going to melt? Really doesn't want to melt, does it? Let's just do that again. Why does this guy not want to melt? Come on. Oh, there's some. Wow. Okay. There we go. That. Oh god. Okay, I think we sort of unbugged it a bit, so now let's put the temperature back down to 0 degrees. Hit play, and it just froze again. This is such a weird bug. They need to fix this. This is so annoying. Okay, so are you gonna cooperate? Come on. There we go. Okay, that's probably the best we can do for now. Then let's put it back to, okay, it's already on 30 degrees. So let's put this back to 30. Oh my god, this really doesn't want to work, does it? My god, come on, game. Why do you have to be like this? It's on 90 degrees now. Okay, so if we just do... Okay, it really doesn't want to work, this, does it? Dang it. Oh, hang on, there we go. Well, I guess we'll just leave it like that for now. I know it's got a bit of land, but it should be fine since I'm guessing that... Yeah, there we go, 33%. That water will obviously cover up more of the land once the planet heats up, so... if this was in the simulation, I'm just expecting this planet to just completely evaporate anyway, since it will be so hot. So yeah, we'll just leave it like that for now, because that water will definitely either spread across the whole planet or just completely disappear, depending on the circumstances of where it is in the final simulation. So yeah, we'll leave it like that for now, since all the colours are done. Yeah, right. So there is the first object of today. So that's done. So let's go ahead and save quickly, and there we go. Right. So let's go back to the coloured simulation here, and let's continue. So next up, we have got let's see here. Make a planet called Material Loser. It's a light blue coloured rocky planet. Radius of 1.1 Earth, mass at 2.1, rotational period 450 days, atmosphere pressure of 10,000 ATM. Yeah, this is going to lose a lot of mass. So, right, so light blue coloured. All right, so light blue, light blue. Okay, here we go. Let's grab that and let's drag it out. Right, let's see here. So let's call it Material Loser. So, oh god, loser. Wait, is it? Oh no, did I spell that wrong? Wait, oh no, it's L-O-O. Yeah, because it's losing stuff. It's not a loser. So yeah, like that. My spelling's not the best, but oh well. So there we go. Radius is 1.1 Earths. All right, so radius. So yeah, Earth 1.1. That's made the planet bigger as well, and mass. And then mass is 2.1. So lock that, and then go 2.1, and there you go. Right, that's temperature's already good, so let's see what we got next. Rotational period is 450 days, and then they want it on an Earth tilt, so it'll be something like this. And let's go all the way down here to days, so let's go 450. So 1.23 years. Then surface pressure is 10,000 ATM. So yeah, this thing's going to get very, very hot. So 10,000 like that, and there you go. Does it say anything? It doesn't say anything about albedo or anything. So yeah, there we go. And then we'll change the surface texture as well, so it doesn't look like the default blue one. So let's quickly do that, and there you go. Something different. So actually, let's change it a bit more. See which one looks good. With a nice light. But yeah, what about that one? I think that looks good for it. So there is Material Loser. So let's go put it over there for now, and then we'll put the other one we just did as well, the Riddler. So let's go and just put it over here as well. So let's just find it. Oh my god, so many objects. Right, Riddler. Where are they at? Come on. Where is it? I know it's a green one. There it is. So just leave it there for now. It's a lot bigger as well. Right, so yeah, there we go. So there's the two objects we made so far. The atmosphere on this one has now disappeared, which is really weird. Oh no, it's there. No, it is there. Actually, no, it's still there. It's just because of the water here. And this one's a little glitched, but yeah, oh, that's not a problem. So there is that. All right, let's see here. All right, what else we got next? All right, it says I would like you to make a red atmosphere planet with yellowy green surface and a mid-sized amount of water. The mass and radius will be 2 Earths. Its name will be Magnus Rufus. That's like the 3rd time that comments came up. Yeah, they must have put it on loads of different videos, because we have got Magnus Rufus. I've seen this comment on so many videos. So where is it? I know we already have this one. Yeah, it's right there. So we've already done that one. Yes, it's got a red atmosphere, then it's got a yellowy green colour. So yeah, we've already done that. So we can skip that comment. Right. So next up, we have got one saying name is Taratus. Taratus, I hope I'm saying that correct. Alright, so mass of 3.56 Earths. Colour is white. Okay. Let's see here. It's 5% hydrogen. This will probably be a gas giant then. Let's just quickly check. So if we had 5% hydrogen, I'm pretty sure it'll make it a gas giant. So yeah, it'll definitely be a gas giant. Okay, so we're going to have another white gas giant. Ooh, so many white gas giants. Alright, so right, here's the white gas giant. So we'll just use this as our template then. We don't want to get too many gas giants in the same colour though, obviously they all look too similar, so don't want to do too many of these. So Taratus, okay, let's see here. Right, let's copy that and let's paste it in. So there we go, like that. Materials, well, it said about 5% of this, so let's go ahead and lower it all the way to about 5% hydrogen, so somewhere around there. Okay, looking good. Right, so that's that. Alright, so 3.56 Earths. So Earth 3.56, there we go. The radius is 10,246, so lock that and go 10,456, like that. Let's make it a little smaller. 2.3 iron, then it's 23 silicate. So here 2.3 iron, so very low iron. So 2.3, okay, so 2.3, so around there. Come on, game, please. 2.7, okay, 2.3, so let's just lower it down a bit, so a little more. Okay, so that's about 2.3 iron. Okay. 23, oh no, composition, oh yeah, 2.3 iron, 23 silicate, and then 69 water. So 23, so 23, so around there, like that, 23, it's got about 63, okay, that's pretty much correct. And then we need to lower, how much water does it want? 67, or 69.7, so let's just lower this to 5. And that should go to 60, about 69. So something like that. That's pretty much correct there. So yeah, that's pretty close. So yeah, we'll roll with that. So getting it exactly perfect is quite annoying. So okay, let's see here. All right, and I think that is everything for this one. So there is that. So that is Tartarus, I think. So. Or Tartarus, I think that's how you say it. So let's drag it over here. Oh God, come on, drag, come on. Seriously, turn this option off. There you go. Right, now you come over. Right, there you are. And this option turned on again, you go away. There we go. Right, let's just put it there for now. And this one there. Alright, there we go. So there's that. Alright, so we know 3 already, and it's only been about 10 minutes. Not bad. Alright, so next up, let's see here. Let's see here. Oh, there's a lot of comments on this video. There's 90 comments, I think. Or 100 now. Whew, damn. Right, so. Okay, okay, here. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, make planet entire covered in water, about 1 mass of Jupiter, radius at 40 times Jupiter. If it turns into a gas giant, make it suitable for water. Well, it doesn't say anything about what colour, so I guess we'll have to make it ourselves. So make a planet entirely covered in water, about 1 mass of Jupiter, radius is about 40 times Jupiter. Okay, so it shouldn't turn into a gas giant, so let's pick a colour. Let's use lime green, so it doesn't say any specific colour, so we haven't had a lime green object yet, so let's use this. I think this could be quite interesting, so let's do that. Or should we use this thing? This green cloudy. That could be quite interesting. So it's at 500 degrees right now. Oh, hot there. Oh my god. So what if we lower the temperature to, I don't know, 40 degrees? Does that work? Is that going to do anything? Come on. Is that going to... Come on. Is it going to do anything? Okay, that was bugged out. Okay, so we'll just use this one for now. Yeah, I need to fix these objects, honestly, because some of them are quite weird. So, right. Let's do this. So, it's an ocean world, so we're going to put a lot of water on it. It's really annoying how the temperature doesn't change when it's pours. Like, what? Why? Why does it not melt? Come on, game, melt, please. See, it just doesn't want to work, does it? Look, it won't melt. If I do this, maybe. See, even that doesn't do anything. Come on. Why won't it melt? That's really annoying. If anyone knows how to fix this glitch, like, or is there any way I can stop this glitch from happening? Like, yeah, let me know, because frozen objects are annoying. We can't unfreeze them, even if we increase the temperature. Like, if we put it at 1,000 degrees, still frozen. Yeah, that makes perfect sense, doesn't it? Like, why? Why do they have to do that? That's really annoying. They really need to fix that bug. So 1 mass of Jupiter, radius is 40 times. So Jupiter. So 1 Jupiter. Then my radius is 40 Jupiters. So Jupiter. Let's lock that and then go to 40. Let's hope it doesn't turn to a gas giant, which it doesn't. So this thing's very, very big now, as we can see there. Look at this. Look at the size of this thing. Very large. It's only got 1 Jupiter mass though, so there is that. Yeah, and it just says entire planet covered in water. So yeah, there we go. And it doesn't say the name. Yeah, it doesn't say anything about the name. So let's call it. I guess we can call it lime water. I don't know. Let's just roll with that for now, since there was no name. So there we go. And there's that done. Look how big it is. So there is that. Remember though, requesting bigger objects, it may be harder to put them in the simulation, so yeah, keep wary. If you want to request a very large object, it may be quite hard to get it in the final simulation, so don't expect it 100% to be in the simulation, because it may not work. So, alright, there is that. Alright, let's see here. Okay, alright, let's see here. So, Can I have a yellow gas giant named... That is a very long name, and I'm not even going to attempt pronouncing it, so... Yeah, there is that one. So yellow gas giant, we haven't actually had a request for yellow yet, so we can go to the yellow gas giant here. Let's paste that name in. Look at this name. I'm not even going to try pronouncing that. So, let's get it. Drag it over here. Yep, there we go. Let's put it over here. Right, so there is that. Mass. Oh, size is 6.99 suns. Oh, that's radius. This may not work. Oh god. Yeah, this may not work. So, right, 6.999 suns in radius. Okay, sun. So let's lock that and then do 6.9999. Yeah, this is going to be pretty extreme, I think. So there's that. So now we need to unlock that, change this to something. So 167 Earths, so 167 like that. Okay, somehow this is a thing. So this is a very large gas giant. So there we go. This is larger than big gas as well, because yeah, this is weird. Big gas. Where's big gas? There's my custom giant object. There's big gas. So it's very, very large. That's like about the size of the largest exoplanet as well. But still, it is no match for my super large gas giant. The super gas is this big. So this is the size of one Milky Way. So I'm still the king of the biggest gas giant because, yeah, this thing exists. So, yeah, one Milky Way large gas giant. So, pretty extreme that is. So, yeah. Anyways, let's head back down to the yellow gas giant here. So, there we go. Right, so there we are. Alright, and yeah, that's all it says. So, yeah, this is extremely large. So, save, and there we go. And then let's just save that one, because I don't know if I did. So, there we are. Now, I already know I saved the ones down here. So, yeah, that's all right. Actually, let's just save that one. I know I saved the white and the Riddler, so there is all that. Okay, let's see what we got next. Okay, just see here. Right. Let's see. Okay, make a dark brown planet called diarrhea. Does that say? Okay, well, we'll take that name. Make it 100 trillion AU. I don't know if this is gonna work. Doesn't say anything about the mass. So there's dark brown. So there's that. I really don't know if this is gonna work. So we may have to take a pass on this if it doesn't. So. Right, there is the name. Let's just go ahead and paste it in like that. So it's diarrhea. Okay. Okay, that's enough of me saying that. So we got that. Alright, it's 100 trillion AU. So something tells me this isn't going to work. I think this is going to break. And there's no way this object's going to fit in the solar system. So this would just be a fun object to have. So AU, lock that. Then he wants this number. Yeah, I think this may be a bit too big. Like, look at this. That's a lot of light years. Paraseconds. Milky Way. 28,000 Milky Ways. Yeah, I don't think the system will even be this big. But it is there. We do have it there. So, it's 13 moons. But it's way too large. And make it have water. Alright, let's do that. Yeah, somehow this works. So, let's then put some water on it. Not too much, though. It's still frozen, which is annoying. There's no way we're going to melt this down since it is so large. I don't know how we're going to have us near a star. Now let's just do this. Actually, put it to 50 degrees. Now let's change that, lower it again, and hydrogen. See, I still can't find a way to get rid of the water to melt. It's really annoying, but yeah. So there's that. All right. So anything else? Surface pressure is 2 atm. Okay, let's do that. 2 atm. Oh my God! Look at the atmosphere mass. Look at the greenhouse effect. Jesus. That's mental. Oh, God. Alright. Make it be black on the surface. Okay. So we can have a bit of black on it. So let's do it. Okay, let's just do that. So something like this, maybe. And let's make that a little brighter. So there you go. What do you think of that? Oh, God. Alright. So, yeah, there you go. There is that. I think that's enough for that. So there's a good look of it. So there is that. Alright, so there we go. That is probably one of the most insane objects we've ever made. So there is that. Let's see here. Alright. Okay, so request is saying thanks for making my planet. Just make it a little more green with light blue atmosphere. But I don't know what the planet's called, so you have to get back to me on that one because It just says, thanks for making my planet, just make it a little more green. But what planet is it? I really can't remember. Like, there's so many here. Please don't hate me, but I can't remember every single one. Please do Navy planet. I know for a fact we've done that before, because that's came up like 3 or 4 times on previous videos. Alright. Make a planet called Callum. Mass of 4.49 moons. Radius, that's a very big radius, 600,000. Temperature is 900 degrees. It's a rocky planet, high elevation, red, mid elevation, white elevation, orange atmosphere, light blue. Okay, so orange. Oh my god, this thing is so big. Look at the size of that. Like, damn. So where's the actual other objects at? So just go down here, zoom in. No, I don't want to go on that. No, go to this one. There we go. Zoom in. Right, there we go, and then zoom in. Right, if it's still zooming in, there we go. Right, so, wait, where is everything? Look how small everything is. Right, so there we go. There's the mighty Neptune. So, let's go over here. So, orange. Let's go to orange down here. So, now let's drag this guy out. Alright, here we go. So, let's put it to 50 degrees. Just the base temperature, in case it needs water. So, Callum. Alright, so let's copy that. 4.49 moons radius. Okay, so radius. Moon. So, 4.49, like that. Let's paste the name in. Something about mass. Okay, so there's it. Oh, that's mass is 4.49. Oh, my apologies. So mass is moon. So 4.49. There we go. Lock that. Then it's kilometers. Yeah, it's a very large object. So many large requests today. Look at the size of these. Like, so many super large requests. But remember, if you request large objects, it's not guaranteed they'll be in the final simulation, just because their sheer size could mess everything up. So, yeah, be wary of that when you request large objects. So, 900 degrees. Okay, so this is going to be very hot. Oh, at least this one's temperature actually worked correctly, like, after you input it. I wish all planets work correctly once you input a temperature, because that would make life easier. High elevation is red, mid is white, and low is orange. So, red... So red, white, and then orange. So something like this. So orange. Let's get a better orange. Like that. It's a little too red-like. So orange. Something like this. Right, there you go. So let's now just... Actually, wait, did I miss anything else? So rotational period is 1 minute. And that is the last thing. Oh, wait. Oh, the atmosphere is light blue with an orange. Okay, I misread. My apologies on that. So, light blue. So, we need another light blue. We have to make it again. So, light blue. Okay, light blue. Okay, so let's quickly make that again. I did it wrong. I did it with an orange atmosphere by accident because the word orange was right next to atmosphere. So, let's quickly go ahead and do that. Oh, wrong thing. No, get out of here. So, no, get out of here. Right. Okay, so, let's just type that myself. So then the mass is 4.49 moons, so 4.49 moons. So many people are requesting low masses with a lot of radius. Alright, so do that. Paste that back in. Okay, there we go. So let's drag that over there. Put the temperature to 900. Oh, at least it worked on here as well. So there we go. Okay, materials. Okay, we don't need materials. So then it was red. So then it was white, and then it was orange. So... there we go. That's what it should be. But the atmosphere is barely visible anyway, since it is very hot. So, oh well. But yeah, that's relatively similar. So now let's just change it to a gas giant. Just to, there we go. Oh, now that I really like the way that looks. Okay, yeah, we'll roll with that. I think that looks really cool. So, there we go. Rotational period is 1 minute. So let's quickly go ahead and do that. So motion minutes, 1 minute. So this is gonna be traveling very quick when it spins. So. Right, yeah, there we go. So that is that done. So now, before we save it, let's quickly disable glows. So turn glows off. And then go save it. And there we go. So now it should appear in the list there. So let's delete that one. Just look at the size of the objects we've made today. This is ridiculous. This is the largest ever... this is definitely the video of the most large-sized objects. Like, look at the size of the one over there. This one. It's Milky Ways in size. Yeah, that definitely will not be in the final video. Just it's too big. So, yeah. But remember, if you ever want me to edit your planets, please name the planet as well. Please don't just say rename my planet. Tell me what planet you want me to rename or change or whatever. So, there's that. Okay, let's see here. Right. Okay, Planet XL. I think we already did this one. Planet 11, wasn't it? Let's have a look. Planet. This is the next request. Planet XI. Yeah, we've already done that. So we'll skip that comment. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, here we go. Name is Manspy. Manspy. Mass is same as the biggest planet. Radius is same as Big Gas. Colour is the German flag. Okay, so someone wants to make use of the German flag. Alright, cool. So, let's actually get used to this. Alright, nice. So, let's drag it over here and let's begin. So, same as the largest exoplanet and Big Gas. So, Big Gas. Let's get Big Gas, the normal Big Gas. Right, then we're going to get HD 100. It's gonna come on game, space. There we go. So there's Big Gas and the largest exoplanet. So they're very, very similar, those two, but Big Gas is slightly bigger, I think. Yeah, it is. So they're about 20,000 kilometers larger. So it said mass is the same as the biggest planet, but this radius is the same as Big Gas. So I don't actually know the radius of this, so we'll just go with 40.7 because that isn't accurate. The mass, only the radius is. So right, so we'll just go with Jupiter, so 40.7, so let's make it very large. Then the radius of this is, okay, 341,947, so lock, so it's 347,000, and then it's one, let's just do 100, okay, whoa, that's big, so, so it's 947, okay, so 947, okay, so there we go. Right, that's what it should be. So it's the same radius as Big Gas. So this is now an equal to Big Gas. So that's the German flag. So call it Manspy. Okay. So let's do that. There we go, like that. Capital letter. It has to be a capital letter. Okay, cool. So let's quickly do this. Alright, and let me read the comment again just to make sure I've done everything. So let's see here. Same as Big Gas. Gas axis is 330. Okay, so then here, motion axis. Oh, I can't change the number right now, so I just have to leave it the way it is, since I do not want to mess anything up. So does that do anything? Can I change the axis, please? Come on. Okay, so there we go. We'll just leave it like that for now. So there we go. So look how even this one's really large. Like, we've got so many large objects today. This is crazy. So yeah, there we are. So there's that German flag done. So we actually have a use for the German object now, which is quite cool. So let's go ahead and save Manspy. So yeah, there's that one. I can't remember if I saved that, so we'll just save it again. Oh no, I did save that, didn't I? So just save that just in case. It's always nice to just double check and save, so nothing hurts by doing it. So there is that. Okay, all right, almost half an hour in. We've made quite a lot of objects today, so it's going well. So okay, planet name is Redder. I think I've already done this one as well. That name rings a bell. Let me just quickly check. Redder. Have I done it? That name definitely rings a bell. Apparently I haven't. Okay, let's do it. Maybe I saw someone else. Or maybe I just saw it and then I never did it because it was on a newer video. So I hadn't got around to doing it yet. But now it is time to do it. So, Redder. So, colour is dark red. Okay. Well, I don't actually have one called dark red. So, let's use this one. Since that is a darker red than this, so yeah, let's just use this. Even though it's called lighter red, yeah, I really need to rename these. I think I'll rename them all for Season 2, just to make things easier. And why is that a gas giant? Oh yeah, because I changed it, didn't I? Oh, let's quickly put it back. There we go. So, let's use this one. So the first object with the super, like, red atmosphere. So redder. And it doesn't say anything about mass or radius, so I guess we can just make that ourselves. So, right. So let's go ahead and paste the name in like that. There we go. Let's give a capital letter. There we are. Temperature, we'll just put you to 30 degrees. So there's our redder planet so far. Then it says 1 colour red, 3 colour white, and a little bit of water. Oh no, 2 colour dark red, 1 colour red, 3 colour white. Okay, I don't know what he means by the number colour thing. What? So does he mean? I think 1, 2, 3 means the high elevation. So well, high elevation we'll do as let's see here. So we'll do as white, since he did say white. So there we go. So there's a bit of white on it now. Okay, looking cool. So white. Then he says red and then dark red. So dark red will do this one. So something like that. So that's dark red, red and white. So let's make this red brighter. And there you go. So then it's got a bit of dark red on it. So just make it a little brighter. There you go. Now let's obviously change the texture just to get a bit more white bit shown, and there we go. Oh, I really like that. That is really cool looking. Yeah, we're keeping that. So, and a little bit of water. All right, so let's go ahead and add a little bit of water. I only clicked it once. And wow, those red clouds look so cool. That looks really, really nice. It's like the green one, but yeah, those colors really stand out. I really like this red. So let's lower that. Come on, seriously, game. Right, careful, don't spam click. All right. Here's the surface coming through, the highest points. So let's lower and lower and lower, and there you go. Actually, no, he did a little bit of water, so there you go. Now that is probably one of my most favourite objects I've ever made. I think that looks really good. So yeah, a little bit of water. So yeah, that's a little bit, 0.001. So got a lot of water in the North Pole, and then not really many else. Reminds me of Mars a bit. Mars, all the low land in Mars is more in the north than the south. So similar to Mars, but yeah, that is really cool. I really like this. So let's go ahead and save, and there you go. Actually, wait, let's change the radius quickly because we haven't done that yet. So let's just go over random values. Let's go with 32 moons in radius. Actually, that may be a little too big, actually. How many Earths is that? Okay, Earth. Let's make it 1.32. There you go. And then I'll leave the mass as what it is. So, yeah, there is redder, and I really, really like that red. That is one of my most favourites I've ever made, I think. That red is so nice. So, yeah, let me know what you guys think. Which object's the coolest one we made today, but that is really cool. So, there is that. Alright, let's see what we got next. So, we'll make a few more. So, make a gas giant with a mass of 8 Jupiters and a radius of 1 million. That is green. Well, there's no name of it, and I really don't know what to name it, so I'll take a pass for now, but if you can give me a name to call it, then yeah, I'll make it. But I need a name, because as you've seen from previous episodes, when someone makes an object without a name, I do struggle to sometimes think of a name, so yeah, give me a name and I'll do it. So, alright, make a planet called Zilakusi. I hope I'm saying that right. The mass of 5 Jupiters, radius is a massive radius as well. So many people with huge radiuses on this. So make the high elevation orange, make mid elevation a palish colour. What is palish? And then the darker pale, put the albedo there, and doesn't say anything about colour of the atmosphere. So what colour is palish? I've never came across that. Let me quickly check that. Palish colour. Let me just search that up. Okay, so palish is like a light pink, it looks like. So palish. Or does he mean polish? It keeps trying to autocorrect it. So palish. Okay, so I think it's some sort of pink. It seems to be like. So we're going to go with light pink today. So yeah, we'll roll with this one. So light pink. So we'll take this one here. Alright, so let's paste the name in, of course. So like that. Oh, no, that's the... I copied the wrong thing. Dang it. So let's close that. Because I was just looking at the colour. So Zilicasi. I'm really sorry, but I cannot pronounce that one. So paste that there. There we go. So that is that. 5 Jupiters in mass. Okay, so Jupiter. 5 Jupiters like that. Right, perfect. Right, so there we go. Then radius. That's a huge radius as well. Jeez. Alright, so let's lock that. Put the radius in. Another supersized object. Look at the size of these. This is so many supersized objects today. This is crazy. Then got that Milky Way one over there. Like, damn. Looks like people are really wanting big ones. But remember, like I said, if you request big objects, it's not guaranteed that they'll be in the final simulation. So keep that in mind. Actually, also, these ones we could. They'd probably be rogue planets. But that's one over there. That is definitely not being included. Just because it's too big. Like, 28,000 Milky Ways. There's no way that'd fit in a solar system, so or even a galaxy, to be honest. Like, that's pretty insane. So there is that. So make it a rocky planet. High elevation orange. Alright, so let's continue. So high elevation is orange, mid is palish, and the okay, so orange. Alright, so orange. Alright, there we go. So there's orange on high elevation. Can't really see it yet. So mid is palish. That's already relatively. That colour's pretty much already relatively correct, I'd say. So make it a bit like that. So I think that is the correct. So something like that, I think, is what it should be. So there is that. And then the low elevation is in the darker pale colour. So let's go with something like this. Something like that, I think. Yeah, I'm really sorry about palish. I think it's a light pink, so something like that. So there we go. There's that. Right, let's see what we've got next. Low elevation. Okay, put the albedo 0.25. All right, so 0.25. Let's drag it all the way down. 0.25. There we are. 0.5. 25% iron, 75 silicate. So 75% silicates. Let's put that all the way up to 75. Come on, dead on 75, please. There we go. 75, 25. Right, like that. Rotational period 12 hours. Okay, so quite a quick spinning object like Jupiter is. So oh, that's the wrong thing. There we go. So 12 hours. There we go. Like that. 40 degrees surface temperature. Alright, so 40 degrees like that. Now let's just resurface it to make the orange appear more. So you get something like that, like in the orange shown there. So yeah, what do you think of that? So yeah, there we go. There is that one done. So save it, and there we go. Right, and yeah, we'll just hit the half an hour mark. So yeah, we'll do one or two more. So there is that. Let's see here. Let's see here. Okay. All right. Last object we got today is make a star called J0842. Okay, so or A0852. So copy that. Size of 3 suns, mass of 2 suns, rotation 80 days, dense is Sirius, it's spelt wrong, so okay, we'll roll with that. So let's just get a customized star to use. So let's just use Cypher, for example. Yeah, look how large these planets are, like, even comparing to the stars here. So let's go all the way down here. Let's turn glows on again, so like that. There we go. So paste the name in. So there we go. So there we are. Alright, so let's do that. Let's just put a space in front, actually, so we need a space. So 0582. So we've got all that. Size of 3 suns, mass of 2 suns. Okay, so size, so radius, so sun, 3 suns. Oh god, alright, don't get small. Right, and then lock that, and then do 2 suns, mass. Oh, alright, there we go. So it's very, very bright right now. So rotational is 80 days. So 80 days. Years. Alright, so days. 80 days. Like that. And then the last thing is just it just says dense as Sirius. So I'm assuming they mean Sirius. So let's get Sirius. And let's just quickly check its density. So not many people ever request density actually. So Sirius, there's Sirius there. So density of Sirius is density. So 567 kilometers per meter cubed, I think that means. So 569. So yeah, wait, yeah, 569. So 569 like that. So that's the same density. And yeah, there you go. So it doesn't say anything about the temperature, so we'll just leave it the way it is. So yeah, there is your star. So and yeah, nothing about the temperature. So yeah, there we go. We will end off there. So save that, and boom, there we go. And wow, we made a lot of objects there. This is great progress. So I think we're almost about halfway through episode 9 stuff already, I'm hoping. So there we go. Look at the size of that thing. That is insanely crazy in radius, that is. So let's actually just try and find the thing. Right, here we go. Look at this. Look at the size of that thing. Oh god. Alright, so zoom in. Oh gosh. Alright, we need to delete this one. It's too big. We need to just remove it from the simulation. It's too big. Zoom out. Select. Look at the size of it. Okay, delete. There we go. Okay. It's still saved though, so it's fine. So let's come in eventually. There we go. So let's quickly check ID. I hope I saved it. So where is it? DI. Come on, where is it? It's here somewhere. I know I saved it. So where is it at? Is it here somewhere? Where at? Did I save it? I'm sure I saved it. What the heck is this? Well, I'll remake it after the video ends if I haven't made it, but so it's DI. Did I seriously not save it? Okay, let me quickly check the controls. Alright, general. Okay, here we go. Wait, no, controls, input. Okay, undo last movement. Where is it? Let's see here. Undo. Oh, I can never remember these. These are so hard to remember. Where's the undo control? It should be on input somewhere. Land camera, camera, undo last movement. Undo, so control Z. Okay, so control Z. There we go. So we saved it. I need to, yeah, it's Control Z. I never remember that. So let's go ahead and zoom out again. Look at the size of it, it's ridiculous. So, right, save. There we go. Right, that's save now. So DI should appear. So DI. There you go. Okay, cool. So good thing I know how to undo now. So zoom back in on there. So it is saved. Right. So now let's get a comparison of what we've done. So yeah, because you already saw that thing was way too big. So let's go down here, and here we go. So largest object today was the yellow gas giant, followed by these two guys here. So there's Lime Water again. There's the star, obviously. There is Callum. Then we've got the German flag one. There's also the mighty Neptune. Then we've got the Riddler there. Then if we go all the way down here, we've got the other one. So there's my favourite one today, Redder. That is definitely my favourite by a long shot we've made today. Then we've also got Material Loser, Taratus, the Riddler, as we've already said. And yeah, that's everything. So yeah, hopefully you guys all enjoyed this video. Make sure you did hit that like button, subscribe for more. If you've got any comments for new objects, you can leave them on today's video, but I probably will not get around to them till Season 2, so just keep that in mind. Elsie, thanks for watching as well. Yeah, we're so close to 2,600. Let's see if we can hit that soon. Yeah, 2,600 subscribers. I think we're 9 people away, so let's see if we can get that soon, because that'd be amazing. And yeah, make sure you guys will have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.